Okay.
Sorry about the first part. My son had an emergency had to go see Johnny Pot, so that we have some more stuff to try. These are Doritos salsa verde or
Verde.
verde. They're very verdy. Uh,
Let's put it this way. I almost peed in on my pants. Something. I can't talk right. I almost made some derpedos. What do they taste like?
well,
Speak, woman, speak.
well, they're a little spicy, but not bad.
Oh
Not
yeah.
bad. These are cheddar jalapeno flavor. They're Lay's. My son's Frito Lay. Yeah, they're a little heated. Ew, they smell like dirty feet.
Let me see the dirty feet chips.
Oh my god. Smells like our friend in Connorsville's feet.
What do they taste like? Feet. So they're
Yeah,
feet to lay.
they taste better than what they smell. They're spicy.
I smell it all the way right here. Smells like a gym sock.
If you have stomach trouble, you better eat a stomach pill before you try these.
Uh,
That's what I did.
Before she ate all this, she went to the dairy and got us some meals.
Mm-hmm.
She ate a fish sandwich, I had a cheeseburger, and what was it? French fries and
I had
mushrooms.
and I had onion rings.
Yeah, she had onion.
They got good Coke at the dairy. That's the best man, good-looking man in the world, Johnny Depp. Everybody thinks he's ugly, but I sure don't.
She wrote Johnny Depp on her cup so she could drink some Johnny juice.
Johnny T.
Oh, Johnny T.
So, and then here was the stuff. I know my son's 24, so all you mouthy people out there, I know you're going to say something.
Bring it on.
These are cotton candy peeps. These are party cake.
The pink ones are cotton candy.
Oh my god, those are hot. This is some Kinder with little animals.
Those Kinders bring me joy. Ha, get it, Kinder Joy?
And these, I even love these. These little Krabby Patty gummies. They are so good.
Oh,
I
yeah.
ate like 6 of them.
Let me get an up close picture of SpongeBob. Also on the bag. Where are you, SpongeBob? Alright.
Yeah, I know somebody will say something because they can't keep their mouths shut in this world. This is a cookies and cream Russell Stover rabbit.
That's the good candy, Russell Stover.
And I used the basket I already had. I guess I'm kind of a cheapskate. These we've been collecting since he was little. These little Pezzas, he's got over, I think, 200 of them. They'll be worth some money someday.
Oh yeah.
2 rabbits and 2 peep chicks.
Yeah. Got a basket full of chicks.
So all you criticizers, go ahead and comment because we know y'all got mouths out there.
Everybody has a mouth, do you?
Well, some people use it more than others.
There's the Kinder chocolates. Got characters on them.
A chick, a hen, 2 frogs, and what is it? A rabbit and a sheep.
Never seen a blue rabbit.
Well, maybe it got squeezed.
A Smurf rabbit.
So that's all for now.
Oh, no.
Oh, what
Let's
is-
show my chili.
Oh, your chili?
The good stuff.
Yeah.
I make a chili that's got 17 ingredients. And if I told y'all what it was, I'd probably have to kill you and rape your dog. Why would you say that? You're a sick old lady. Why would you say that?
Hang on.
I ain't getting no shot of you bending down.
Oh, man. I about dumped my coffee.
Almost had a sloppy coffee, dropping it on the ground.
And then there it is. We got more in the freezer.
Oh yeah. What happened to the juice?
I don't know. It came loose, that juice. And if you want some good onion rings, they sell them at the dairy.
Here at Hagerstown, Indiana.
They got good food.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 2 orders. So.
Oh,
These.
hold on. Go ahead.
These are really good. I don't want to drink none right now, but it's cream soda, Dr. Pepper. It tastes better than that strawberry nasty stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So.
My Uncle Gary went to either Cambridge or somewhere to get us some fried chicken.
Yeah.
For some reason, he's being nice.
Wow.
It's.
That's weird when a family member's nice. In this family.
Yep. I gotta say something.
Well.
Better quit before I puke on myself.
That's the second part. We just had to take a break. You got a hole in your shirt. Shame.
I'm holy.
We take after our cousin. He likes holy clothes.
Yep.
So we want to know that we're related to him. But, yeah, well, I might try to find some more foods. Sometimes they have different foods here. And the worst thing I've ever ate was black licorice, and I gave it to my brother.
That's just sick.
Stuff is, you might as well eat the tar off the hot road.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it for now, so talk to you later, bye. Okay, I'm looking for wings.